and we are well in time, so no need to bother about whether our syllabus will be finished or not. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll stop sharing the screen. I will take down one numerical. Just a minute, let me draw that numerical which was there in your assignment. Okay, I will take that numerical only so that you will understand, and I'll repeat with the steps. Just a minute, student. I'm just drawing that circuit. Volt, 4 ohm, 6 ohm. The first circuit I'm taking. Okay, so you can also. Yes. Now, whether my screen is visible to you people, the camera screen, where I'm will taking the numerical. Okay. Yes. You are supposed to reply to the host Kushal Loda. Okay, so that I'll get your answer there. Okay. So see, students. So this is the circuit which I've given you people as an exercise. Okay. So I'll explain you people how to directly write the equations of Kirchhoff's law. Okay. So instead of wasting the time in explaining the steps of potential drop and potential rise, what I'll do today, I will be directly taking the numerical based upon how to directly write the equations. Okay, so now here what I've told you, the first step that you people have to follow is, if the terminals are given the nomenclature, then there is no issue, else you people have to give the nomenclature. So what I'll do is, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, D, E and F. Got it? So what I've done, I have just given the names to the different junctions. Then second step that you have to do is, since there are two loops, obviously the two currents will be I1 and I2. Fine. So ये दो current है आपके I1 and I2. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Now, always what you people have to remember is, you people have to follow compulsory the clockwise direction of the current. Students, my humble request to you people, please pay attention. This is very, very important. I'm telling you people how to directly write the equations. Okay. So now, so this was the circuit which was earlier given. What change I have done is, the blue pen, A, B, C, D, E, F, second I1 and I2 I have shown you people. Fine. I'm not talking about screen sharing, Pratik. You just enable my camera. कैमरा वाला जो स्क्रीन है उसमें मेरा नोटबुक दिख रहा होगा आप लोगों को विद द स्केच पेन ड्राइंग. सो यू जस्ट पिन टू दैट वीडियो. उसके लिए क्या करना है, आपको बस स्लाइडर जैसे स्लाइड मूव करना है. यस, गुड प्रतीक, आई होप यू हैव गॉट इट. सो नाउ यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो I1 and I2 आर द टू करंट्स व्हिच आई हैव टेकन एज क्लॉकवाइज. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू पीपल हैव टू डू इज, up since two loops are there, obviously there will be two loop equations. Apply KVL to which loop? A, B, E, F, A. I will be applying the loop equation. Dear students, is it clear? Step number 1, you can write it in that way also. Step 1, apply KVL to A, B, E, F, A. What I've told you, blindly, since there are two currents, blindly write it as I1, I2 is equal to. Clear? Now I am writing the equation of ABEFA loop ना, पहले लूप के लिए लिख रहा हूं मैं. सो पैरेंटल करंट कौन सा है पहले लूप के लिए? I1. मतलब पैरेंटल मतलब क्या? खुद का करंट, खुद का करंट. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो द सफिक्स ऑफ द पैरेंटल करंट विल बी पॉजिटिव, उसका साइन क्या होगा? प्लस. और नॉन पैरेंटल करंट कौन सा है इसके लिए? सेकेंड करंट. सो ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी माइनस. क्लियर? एंड इक्वल टू. अभी लिखना कैसे है वो बताता हूं आपको. I1 का सफिक्स क्या आएगा, वो कैसे लिखना है? I1 का सफिक्स वो आएगा जिस रेजिस्टेंस में से I1 फ्लो हो रहा है. कौन से रेजिस्टेंस में से I1 फ्लो हो रहा है? 4 and 6. ये 6 है. दिस इज 6. ओके, सो 4 and 6 में से I1 फ्लो हो रहा है. सो 4 plus 6, हाउ मच इट इज? 10. सो इट विल बी 10 I1 एंड इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. क्यों? क्योंकि पहले लूप का पैरेंटल करंट I1 है, उसका सफिक्स I1 ही पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. अब ये पहले लूप का इक्वेशन लिखते वक्त द सेकंड लूप्स करंट इज नॉन पैरेंटल करंट, सो उसका साइन मैंने निगेटिव दे दिया. क्लियर? नाउ I2 is flowing through which branch, through which resistance in the first loop? Through only 6, is it not? और अगर यहाँ पर और एक रेजिस्टेंस होता तो उन दोनों की एडिशन करते थे आप, बट यहाँ पर सिर्फ 6 है, तो I will be writing the suffix of I2 as 6 only, minus 6 I2. Is it clear, the left hand side of the equation? I hope it is clear. Now the right side, so which is equal to the voltage source addition. Now that to that addition you people have to do in what way? अभी यहाँ पर इस लूप में voltage equation, voltage sources कितने हैं? There is only one voltage source, and what is that? Is 20 volt, is it not? So while moving in a clockwise direction, this 20 volt has its polarity from negative to positive, isn't it? So since it is moving from negative to positive, उसकी value जो आएगी that will be positive 20. I hope it is clear. It is positive 20. Dhammadip correct. Okay, so positive 20. What I'll be saying is this is equation number 1. Getting my point? Is it not? अगर आपको क्रॉस चेक करना है तो और क्या किया था हमने, लिखते वक्त कैसे लिखेंगे? 4 के यहाँ पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप है तो इट विल बी 4I1. 6 के यहाँ पर भी पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप है तो इट विल बी प्लस 6I1 माइनस I2. ये ऐसा क्यों, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया है. ओके, देन इट इज फ्रॉम माइनस टू प्लस, इट मीन्स पोटेंशियल राइज, तो इट विल बी प्लस 20 विच इज इक्वल टू 0. Is it not? Getting my point? It is from minus to plus. Sorry, it will be minus 20. Potential rise है इसलिए. Okay, correct. Is equal to 0. इसको मैं अगर सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा तो 4I1 प्लस 6I1 माइनस 6I2, ये माइनस 20 है, उधर जाएगा तो वो प्लस 20 हो जाएगा. 4 plus 6 is how much? 10I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 20. Is this equation and this equation is same? I hope it is clear to you people now. Getting my point? Is it not? Thank you. Now step number 2. अभी डायरेक्ट मेथड से ही करेंगे हम लोग. Apply KVL to what? Second loop. What is that second loop? Is B, C, D, E, B. This is the second loop. B, C, D, E, B. Clear? Now let's apply KVL directly here. मैंने आपको क्या बताया? Blindly first thing that you have to do is two currents है, I1 I2 लिख दो, जो भी इक्वेशन आएगा that will be equation number 2. Clear? Now what you have to do is the suffix of I1, will it be positive or negative? Second loop है ये, तो इसके लिए पैरेंटल करंट कौन सा है? I2. so उसका सफिक्स क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव. I1 नॉन पैरेंटल करंट है तो उसका सफिक्स क्या आएगा? माइनस. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? मैं कौन से बता रहा हूं, देखो बी सी डी ई बी में पैरेंटल करंट I2 है, उसके लिए उसका सफिक्स मैंने पॉजिटिव लिख दिया. ओके, वेयर I1 नॉन पैरेंटल है, इसके लिए उसका सफिक्स आई हैव रिटन एज नेगेटिव. आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ. ओके, नाउ which all are the resistances through which my I1 is flowing? I1 is flowing through only 6 ohm, so the suffix of I1 will be only 6, so minus 6I1. Getting? And I2 is flowing through which resistances? 8 and 6. So 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. So I2 का suffix होगा 14I2. I hope it is clear now. Now it is equal to, let's write about the constant term, that is the voltage source. Voltage source here, it is moving from plus to minus since I am moving in a clockwise direction. So obviously it will be what? Positive 10 to minus 10. So it is going in the reverse direction as it expected for positive. So obviously the answer will be minus 10. I hope the two equations are clear. Now you people have got the two equations. What you will do? Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. How you will be solving it? Not by the conventional method or by Cramer's rule. Directly on the calculators you will be doing. On calculator, what you will be doing? You will be selecting the mode of equation, that is EQN. Mode of equation you will be selecting equation. उसमें 5 नंबर प्रेस करोगे for that. Then after that first select करोगे ax plus by plus c वाला. Okay. तो उसमें एक मैट्रिक्स जैसी टर्म आएगी. इन दैट टर्म यू पीपल हैव टू राइट A1. व्हाट इज A1? A1 इज 10, B1 is -6 and C is 20. Come down, -6, 14, -10. With polarities आप लोगों को लिखना है. I hope it is clear to you people. ऐसे कैलकुलेटर पे आप लोगों को मेंशन करना है. 10, -6, 20, -6, 14, -10. Equal to जब प्रेस करोगे, that time you will be getting the value of A1 and A2. That is what your I1 and I2. So dear students, just find the answers. Shall I take these answers, Aditya? Is it clear? Yes. Ravi, correct. 2.11 and 0.19. 2.11 and 0.19. Are both the currents are positive? Are both the currents are positive? Are both these currents are positive? Yes. Okay, what it means is, whatever the signs you people have assumed, they are correct. So downward direction of the current you will be showing. I hope now the numerical is clear. Dear students, is it clear? Sir, what if there are 3 voltage sources? Shreyas, I am taking that numerical. Good doubt. I will be taking one more numerical of 3 sources. Don't worry about it. Okay. I will take the numerical of 3 sources, students. Is it clear, dear students? Okay. Now, what you people have to write at the end? Both these currents. Sorry. So both these currents, I1 is this and I2 is this with the arrows. I hope it is clear. Take the screenshot if it is not completed. Okay. Sir, what answer for second and third homework question? That answer I will not tell here. I will put it in the group. अपना जो अलग unofficial group बनाया है हमने, it's not unofficial, the study circle group, उसमें मैं आप लोगों को solutions निकाल के भेज दूंगा. Clear है? Is it clear, dear students? Both the currents, are you all getting? Okay. Sir, can again explain direction of arrow in conclusion answer? Okay, conclusion answer. Why? Because see, after solving this equation on the calculator, you people are getting the answer as 2.11 and 0.19 ampere. Both the values are positive. It means the assumed direction downward. Clockwise मतलब ही downward direction है ना. आप लोगों को कोई तो एक ब्रांच में से पूछा था शायद, बीई ब्रांच उन्होंने दिया था, मतलब उसको उन्होंने ए बी बोला था. तो ए बी ब्रांच में आप लोगों ने डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन अज्यूम की है. क्लॉकवाइज मतलब डाउनवर्ड ही हो गया ना. इज इट नॉट? क्लॉकवाइज मतलब डाउनवर्ड ही है. तो इसलिए आई हैव रिटन दीज डायरेक्शंस एज डाउनवर्ड. अगर बाय चांस, नॉट बाय मिस्टेक, अगर बाय चांस दिस करंट इट वुड हैव कम -2.11, is it the thing that answer is wrong? No, answer is correct. Only thing is the direction will be reverse, that is downward के जगह सिर्फ upward निकालनी है और आपको आंसर फाइनल 2.11 ही लिखना है पॉजिटिव. Is it clear? I hope it is clear, students. Please take the screenshot fast. I have to complete this part. Okay. Now let's solve one more numerical like this only. And as Shreyas has asked, and even in the homework as I have given you people, the numerical with the 3 sources. Okay. Now let's draw. एक मैं अपने मन से ही ये निकालता हूं सर्किट. I will just draw one circuit like this. Okay. थोड़ा सा बड़ा सर्किट बना दिया मैंने. इस पे वैल्यूज डाल देता हूं. इसको लेट्स से आई एम कॉलिंग इट एज 10 वोल्ट, दिस एज 5 वोल्ट, दिस एज लेट्स से 12 वोल्ट, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं. ठीक है. ये है 4 ओहम, ये है 7 ओहम, ये है 6 ओहम, ये है 2 ओहम और ये है 4 ओहम अगेन, लेट्स से. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन टू यू पीपल इज find the current flowing through 7 ohm resistance. My question is find the current flowing through 7 ohm resistance. Find the current flowing through 7 ohm resistance. Okay, students, please draw this circuit. Dear students, please draw this circuit. Okay. Now here, first step that I will be doing is I will be giving the nomenclatures as I have told you. So let's put the nomenclatures. Am I audible, students? because I'm not getting any response in the chat box. Yes, thank you, Om, for the quick reply. Yes, everyone, thank you. Now please stop. Yes, students, so here the circuit that I have drawn has 3 sources. आप बोलोगे सर 3 कैसे? फर्स्ट लेग में है, इस लेग में, इस लेग में. You can रिवर्स, ये यहाँ का यहाँ भी आ सकता है, यहाँ का यहाँ आ सकता है. So पोजीशन चेंज हुई तो कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. The funda remains same. Okay. Now the first step that I have to follow is nomenclature. So what I'll be doing is A, B, C, D, E, F. You will say sir हमेशा क्यों ऐसा दे रहे हैं? चॉइस आपकी, आपको PQRS बोलना है, PQRS LMNO, PQ जो बोलना है वो बोलो. ठीक है. So first step, and क्या पूछा आपको? I7. Dear students, can I say it as you people have to find IBC? It is very similar. Is it not? Okay, thank you for the reply. Now students, please focus. Please focus. ये न्यूमेरिकल आपको 3 सोर्सेज के लिए कंफ्यूज हो रहा है शायद. So first step that I have done is I have given the nomenclature as A, B, C, D, E, F. Second step, identify the number of loops. How many loops are there? Please put it in the chat box. How many loops are there in the given numerical? Very good, Mayur. 2 loops are given. Correct. So how many currents will be there? By default, there will be 2 currents. Okay. So again, my terminology is to give the clockwise direction I1 and I2. I hope it is clear now. It is I1 and second one is I2, and that too they are clockwise direction. Okay. Now here again plus minus you will be writing. Here it is plus minus. From this side it will be plus minus. From this side it will be minus plus minus. Okay. Now step number 1. Dear student, ये वाली मेथड अपने सिलेबस में नहीं है अनिकेत. Okay, so now let's start with the solution. Now how many iPhone जो भी है उन्होंने रीनेम करना है, else I will remove you. iPhone, who is iPhone? Who is iPhone? Who is iPhone? Whoever is this iPhone is, I will remove you immediately. ये iPhone जो है इसको मैं रिमूव कर रहा हूँ अभी. I don't want it कि कोई भी बच्चा मेरा ये हो जाए, बट ऑप्शन नहीं है. ऐसे लोग आते हैं तो okay, I have removed him. Now if you can't see the screen, please pin to my video. Dear students, सबको स्क्रीन तो दिख रही है ना? Yes, Sahil, I am continuing. Thank you. Fine. Now see, I1 and I2 आ गया 2 current. Let's apply step number 1. What I have told you, step 1, apply KVL. To whom? To the first loop. A, B, E, F. Is it clear? First loop. So it is A, B, E, F. Fine. Now the next one. Let's apply. क्या बोला था मैंने? Blindly. What you people have to do? Write the 2 currents, I1 and I2, which is equal to. That will be your equation number 1. Now I1, please students pay attention. I1 is flowing through which one are the resistances? 4, 6 and 2. Clear? So you have to do the addition of 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, that is 12. And what will be its suffix, positive or negative? Obviously it will be positive. Why? Because it is a parental current. Clear है? So 12 I1. Now I2 is non-parental for first loop, so उसका suffix by default minus आएगा. So negative it is. Clear? Now I2 is flowing through which resistance? Only 6. So its I2 suffix will be minus 6. Students, please focus now. Please focus. 2 sources आ गए. Sir, you wrote loop name wrong. Okay. क्या लिखा मैंने? A, B, E, F. बराबर लिखा ना? A, B, E, F. You wrote loop name wrong. कैसे क्या? A, B, E, F. Okay, A भी डालना है पीछे. ठीक है, fine. A, B, E, F. Fine. Accepted by mistake. So here, dear students, there are 2 loops. First loop, 2 sources. First source is moving from minus to plus. ये short side of plate है और ये bigger side है. So this is what is minus and this is what is plus, isn't it? So it is moving from minus to plus. So it will be plus 5. Are you all getting? It is minus to plus. It means it is plus 5 in right hand side. And when it will move from this side for 10 volt, it will be minus to plus hai ye bhi. Getting my point? So this will be also plus 10. I hope it is clear with the two sources. Nobody's, who is this Sanket? Please, you are wrong, beta. 10 plus 5 is correct. I will be repeating the logic. See, 5 में minus to plus जा रहा है, so I have to take it as plus only, plus 5. Even 10 में भी minus to plus जा रहा है, तो I will be taking plus 10. Okay. So ultimately, equation 1 will be this, that is 15, 12I1 minus 6I2. I hope this equation is clear. Thank you, Rushikesh, for the reply. Now, step number 2. What is that, dear students? Step number 2, apply KVL to whom now? B, C, D, E, B. This is the second loop. Okay. Again, blindly what I have told you, write I1, I2 equal to. This will be, second लिखूंगा बाद में. So I1, I2. Now, who is parental for second loop? For second loop, the parental current is I2. So its suffix will be positive. I am sure that you people are understanding this concept of parental and non-parental. Okay. So I2 is parental. I1 is non-parental. Hence its suffix will be minus. Okay. Now I1 is flowing through only 6. So it will be minus 6I1. What about I2? I2 is flowing through 7, 4 and 6. Getting my point? 7, 4 and 6. So 7 plus 6, 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So it will be 17I2. Okay. Is equal to, again the big question. There are two sources. Students, here that there is a twist in the story. Now here it is moving from plus to minus. So 12 sign you will be taking plus or minus. 12 sign you will be taking plus. Very good, Ashutosh. अगर मैं गलती से किसी का नाम लेना भूल रहा हूँ, so मुझे actually यहाँ पर at a time एक ही चार्ट दिखता है. So if you are answering, I am happy that you are answering because chat box has been flooded with your answer. Thank you for the reply. Yes, the 12 volt is moving from plus to minus. It means the sign that I have to choose is minus 12. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Now further, it is moving in this direction. For 5, it is moving from plus to minus again. So obviously it will be minus 5. I hope it is clear now. Okay. So it will be minus 12 minus 5. It will be its addition. How you are saying 7, I don't know. But subtract, दोनों minus है, minus minus के addition होती है. So it will be minus 17 minus 6I1 plus 17I2 is equal to minus 17. Is it clear, dear students? So now what I can say is, you people have two equations. Their suffixes are 12, minus 6, 15, minus 6, 17 and minus 17. What I expect now is the answer by solving equation 1 and 2. What you will be getting is the value of I1 in ampere and value of I2. Again, don't forget to give the unit in ampere. Students, please do it on the calculator and actual values बताओ, minus plus जो भी आ रहे वो. We will comment on it. My point 91. Let me check. मतलब मैंने ऐसे ही रैंडमली दिया है और मुझे मैं मेजॉरिटी आंसर सही पकड़ूंगा. मेजॉरिटी 0.91 बोल रहे हैं I1 की वैल्यू. Is it so? Dear students, please do it on the calculator. Calculator पे कैसे होगा? Suffix 12 minus 6 15 minus 6 17 minus 17. Yes, majority of the student are saying this is 0.91 and this is minus 0.67. Let it be. Correct it is. Let it be. Yes, majority are getting the same answer. Snehal, good. Thank you for the answer. Now, dear students, 0.19. It is clockwise or anti-clockwise. By default, both are clockwise, we have assumed. Now, unfortunately, this answer has came out to be negative. Is it the thing that you people have got the wrong answer? No, don't worry about it. You have got the correct answer. Only thing is sign is changed. So I2 is equal to what? 0.67 ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको. Only thing is arrow will be upward. Getting my point? Arrow will be upward. Okay. So, but the question that has been asked is find the current flowing through 7 ohm. So while writing the answer, you are supposed to write the answer like current flowing through 7 ohm each. Current flowing through 7 ohm each. What? 0.67 ampere with its direction upward लिखो या फिर ऐसे लिखो तो आई डोंट थिंक कि आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन होगा. अपवर्ड लिखा तो घूम तो ऐसे ही रहा है ना, क्योंकि सी डायरेक्शन ऐसे जाएंगे, इसलिए मैंने ये साइड एरो निकाला है अपवर्ड के जगह. सो आई होप it is clear to you people. 3 sources numerical. The one someone has asked me the question with the 3 sources. Aditya, please unmute yourself. You are continuously raising the hand. Aditya, you can unmute yourself now. Aditya Patil, 63. He was raising the hand. Fine. So I hope, dear student, it is clear to you people now how to deal with the 3 sources if there are there. Yes. Sir, what if we need to find current in 6 ohm? क्या उसमें 6 ohm में से निकालना है तो क्या करोगे आप? क्या करोगे? I1 minus I2 लोगे और उस टाइम आपको I2 यही लेना है. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. हु इज दैट गर्ल? गर्ल है कोई तो? एक मिनट. नहीं, बॉय है क्या? जस्ट लेट मी चेक. व्हाट इफ हु इज देयर? राज पताड़े. राज, थैंक यू फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. राज ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है व्हाट इफ द क्वेश्चन इज बीन आस्क्ड बाय 6 ओहम, तो क्या करेंगे? दैट विल बी I1 माइनस I2. इज इट नॉट? बट आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा फिर सर I2 पॉजिटिव लेना है क्या नेगेटिव? इट हैज टू बी टेकन नेगेटिव. व्हाटएवर इज द आंसर कमिंग नो एज इट इज. करेक्ट सोमनाथ? एज इट इज लेना है और फिर करना है कि क्या है. सो अगर आपको 6 ओहम से पूछा ना किसी ने, इफ एनीवन आस्क्स यू with 6 ohm, shall I write it here? Current through 6 ohm, it will be I1 minus I2. Dear student, it will be 0.91 minus of minus 0.67. I hope it is clear now. Okay, so it will be, please do the addition. 7 plus 1 8 and 9 plus 6 15. 1.58 ampere. Clear? 1.58 ampere. And since it is positive, it means its direction is downwards, clockwise. That is I6 ohm. Please take the screenshot, dear students. And I hope now the Kirchhoff's law is very clear to you people. And I want now my chat box to be flooded with the comments about the today's lecture. Whether you people have understood everything or still there are doubts. I want you people to answer it in the chat box. Yes, good. Thank you. I hope now it is clear. हमने दोनों टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल देखे, सिर्फ 2 लूप्स के भी और एक 3 लूप के भी. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट, व्हाट आई विल डू इज, अपना जो अलग ग्रुप बनाया ना मैंने, उस पे इसका फोटोग्राफ निकाल के भेज देता हूँ. चलेगा? सो कैन आई नाउ एक्सपेक्ट 1 न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम यू पीपल इन द होमवर्क? सो टुडे I will give you 1 numerical in the chat on WhatsApp group, and I will expect that answer from you people. I hope it is clear then. Okay, now कहानी में एक twist add कर देते हैं. If instead of 2 loops, if there are 3 loops, what will happen? 2 loop के जगह multiple loops आ गए तो किरचॉफ्स फेल होता है क्या? ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है. किरचॉफ्स फेल नहीं होता. You can solve the numerical of Kirchhoff's for 3 loops as well. So let's take one simple numerical. Simple नहीं, complex ही ले लेता हूँ, so that it will clear your all concept. Okay, एक numerical ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर 3 loops का. Students, it will be better if you will draw with me only. एकदम कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला लिया मैंने, बहुत सारे सोर्सेस और सबकी पोलैरिटीज अलग अलग, देयर आर कॉमन वोल्टेजेस, बहुत सारा एक बड़ा सर्किट ले लिया मैंने। ओके, ऐसा एक सर्किट ड्रॉ कर लो स्टूडेंट्स। वैल्यूज में बताता हूँ, पहले सर्किट बना लो। प्लेट्स ठीक से देखो, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कौन सी है। स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज ड्रॉ दिस सर्किट। एक बहुत अलग वाला सर्किट बना दिया जिसमें 3 लूप्स है। स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज डू इट फास्ट, मुझे सुपरपोजिशन भी एक्सप्लेन करना है। Yes, Shruti, you are correct. But I will not explain your, I will not dictate your answer here. Let everyone think. Yes, Sahil. Thank you for the quick reply. I hope you all have drawn the circuit. I hope you all have drawn the circuit. Okay, good. Good. Please stop your answers in the chat box now. So I hope you all have you all have drawn the 3 loops now. Now, let's see how to solve this numerical. Let me put some values randomly I am taking. See, answers आपको ही बराबर बताने हैं। Answers मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं ऐसे ही एक question pose कर रहा हूँ, and that's a good habit. You should also develop your own circuits, huh? Fine. This is, let's say, 10 volt. This is 20 volt. This is again, let's say, 10 volt, and this is 5 volt. So please mention the values. Fatafat, fatafat. Please write all the values. Students, please write all these values. See, now I think it is clear. Circuit को थोड़ा zoom कर दिया. Shreyas, I think I'm audible. Please check the network. But you just focus on the steps if it is the issue with the audio from your end. Okay, no problem, Shreyas. If you are not understood, you just let me know. I will explain it once again for you. Okay. Students, now let's start with this solution. First step, fatafat. First step, give the nomenclature to the node. I'll be happy if either of you can raise the hand and will tell me the steps and that I will follow. Can anyone will raise the hand and I'll ask you to unmute. मैं आपने बताई हुई steps follow करूँगा. I will be very happy. Let it be wrong. It will not be a fun for the others. It will show that you have some dare than the others. Sahil, I'm happy, Sahil and Om, that you all are raising the hand. But always it is happening that you only are raising that. धम्मदीप, इसकी आवाज ही सुनी नहीं है, बहुत बार आंसर करता है बट इसकी आवाज सुनी नहीं है. सार्थक, सोमनाथ, थैंक यू फॉर द रिप्लाईज. यू विल गेट चांस सम ऑफ द अदर डे. हमें बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स करने हैं, मैं एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस भी लेने वाला हूँ. ठीक है धम्मदीप, यू आर अनम्यूटेड नाउ. कैन यू प्लीज फटाफट टेल मी द स्टेप्स दैट टू बी फॉलोड?
Sir, first
step number 1,
nomenclature, sir.
Yes. So I'll start with the nomenclature A. I should not give the nomenclature to decide why, because there is nothing as if with this node connected. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is, let's say, A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Okay. None of you has asked me the question that what is the question. Question is find current through each resistance. देखो question. Each resistance थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा, but I am having faith on you people that you can give me the answers. Okay. So find current through each resistance. So first step is clear that I have given the nomenclature A, B, C, D, E, F. Dhammadeep, the second step, please.
Sir, loops, sir. There are 3 loops.
Okay. 3 loops. Are you agreed that everyone is agreed that there are 3 loops? Students, मुझे लगता है कुछ लोग कंफ्यूज होंगे, मैं इसको नाम दे देता हूँ. ओके, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नाम बढ़ाए तो. ओके, सो कौन से 3 लूप्स है धम्मदीप, आप बता सकते हो फॉर द सेक ऑफ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर क्लास?
Sir, first loop ये P Q C A.
Correct. C B also you have to consider.
Yes, sir.
So एक मिनट, मैं यहाँ के यहाँ लिख देता हूँ ना. स्टेप 1, 3 लूप्स. ओके फाइन, आप कंफ्यूज होने वाले होंगे तो छोड़ दो. 3 लूप्स कौन से A P Q C B A. फाइन. सेकंड
A B E F A.
फाइन. थर्ड
and third B C D E B.
करेक्ट. अभी धम्मदीप, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है आपको ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ योर क्लास. आपको
Yes.
ऐसे तो नहीं लग रहा यू आर गेटिंग पनिश्ड?
No sir.
हाँ,
Share.
ओके फाइन. तो मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ योर क्लास. जो आपने अभी लूप्स बताए ना, फर्स्ट
Yes.
लूप इज दिस, सेकंड इज दिस एंड थर्ड इज दिस. कैन आई चेंज द सीक्वेंस?
Yes sir. Of
वेरी
course.
गुड. दैट्स व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर फ्रॉम यू पीपल. मैं
Yes.
इसको 1, इसको 2, इसको 3 बोल सकता हूँ, इसको 1, इसको 2, इसको 3 बोल, व्हाटएवर इज योर चॉइस you can do it. Fine. So
Yes,
3
sir.
loops are this. So what I'll do is I will take this as loop 1. Is it okay? Fine. ये बड़ा बोला ना आपने, ये loop 1 है. So I
Yes.
will be direction that I have to take is clockwise.
And guys.
Clockwise.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is I1. This is
I2.
I2, and this is I3.
I3.
And please students have the habit of redrawing the circuits. हाँ, मैं इसमें ही चेंज कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि टाइम बचे, इसलिए आप लोगों ने चेंज करने हैं. ओके ओके. नाउ धम्मदीप क्या करेंगे अभी हम?
Sir, equation sir. In first loop, second loop and third loop equation बनाना है sir next.
ठीक है. तो मैं यहाँ पर स्टेप 1 लिखता हूँ. क्या? अप्लाई KVL टू.
Apply KVL to first loop sir. A P Q C B A.
I hope it is clear to everyone. A P Q C B A. ओके. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे धम्मदीप? अगर आपने ये आंसर दे दिया तो मेरी तरफ से आपको एक चॉकलेट जब आप कॉलेज आओगे, फॉर श्योर फ्रॉम माय एंड. क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट बताओ?
Sir, equation sir. First.
बट कैसे लिखेंगे? मैंने क्या बोला था? व्हाट टू बी फॉलोड? हाउ मेनी करंट्स आर देयर?
Sir, there are 3 currents.
तो मैंने क्या बताया था?
क्या sir?
क्या बताया था? ब्लाइंडली आप लोगों को
I1, I2 and
I2, I3 इज इक्वल टू ऐसे लिखना है. अभी
Sir, yes,
क्लियर
sir.
है? क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
अब माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज which current suffix will be positive and which current suffix will be negative?
Sir, I1 is positive and
Very
I2
good.
is negative.
Very good. Both I2 and I3 are negative. Why? Because this loop has I1 which is the parental. Hence only suffix ka I1 ka suffix will be positive. I2 and I3 suffixes will be negative. Students, is it clear? Adhamadip, is it clear?
Yes sir, yes sir, clear.
Okay. So I'll be calling it as equation number 1. So tell me, I1 suffix क्या आएगा? I1 is flowing through which all the resistances?
2, 4 and 3.
Very good. So 2 plus 4,
6 and
plus 3,
9.
7. 9. So it will be 9 I1. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Now tell me what will be the suffix of I2?
5 sir. नहीं sir, 3.
ये 3 है. मेरी handwriting थोड़ी गंदी है.
Yes sir, no
It's
problem.
3. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
minus 3 I2. So आप सुनोगे ना तो आपको समझ में भी आ जाएगा. Okay. So it is minus 3 I2. What about I3 suffix?
4 sir.
Very good. 4. Now what about equal to sign?
Sir, that is a positive 10.
Wow, very good. I'm very happy that you have correctly given answer. See, in the first loop, only one voltage source is there. It is minus 2 plus, it is 10. Dhamadev, can I ask you one more question?
Yes sir.
If there is one voltage source here, it is possible, no? I can add one voltage source here also. And
Yes,
its
sir.
polarity is negative here and positive here. I repeat, here it is negative, here it is positive, and it is 5. So what would have been the right hand side?
Plus 5 sir.
Wow, very good. I'm very happy and I'm expecting you people. Yes, Somnath. Yes, Prateek. Everyone, you are correct. Very good. So it is equal to 10. Is this first equation is clear to you people? Dhamadip?
Yes sir.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Now, can you please mute yourself? Let me give the chance to the other person for the second and third equation.
Okay sir.
Okay, good. Sagar Kumbar, can I request you to unmute yourself? Sagar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Are you understanding till this point?
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me the step 2?
Sir, now we have to apply KVL to loop A, B,
Yes.
E, F, A.
Apply KVL to A, B,
B, E, F, A.
D कहाँ से आ गया?
Sorry, A, this B1, sir. B.
A,
नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमे
The suffix will be positive. Which suffix will be
Sir,
positive?
Sir, I1 will be positive.
Huh?
I1, sorry, sir. I2 will be positive, sir,
Correct. Why? Because parental loop is
because it is a
LAPS.
parental.
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will
It
be
will be
positive.
parental.
I1 and I2, I3 suffix will be negative.
Negative, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the
Yes,
suffix of I1. I1 is flowing through which resistance in this loop? ये loop
Sir,
में
I1 is flowing through 3 and 7. Therefore,
no. I1 यहाँ पर है. It is
sorry,
flowing through
I1.
only
Sorry, sir. It is confusing.
I1.
I1 is
हाँ.
2 and
Only 3
3 and 4. Only 3. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
ओनली 3
Only
ये
3,
मत
sir.
डरो मत और गलती हुई तो भी क्या कोई पनिश नहीं करने वाला ओके सो
No,
I1
sir, sorry,
किस में
sir.
से
Only
फ्लो हो
3.
रहा है ओनली 3 में
Only
से
3,
जस्ट
sir.
सेकंड ओके
Yes, sir.
इट्स सफिक्स
Yes,
विल
sir.
बी -3 I1 नाउ I2
Yes,
ये
sir.
है I2 किस किस में से फ्लो हो रहा है 3
Sir, I2 3 and 7.
करेक्ट सो 7 + 3 10 I2
10.
क्लियर एंड
Yes, sir.
I3 किस में से फ्लो हो रहा है
I3 कुछ भी नहीं है सर I3 के लिए.
Very good. I am very happy. Kudos to you. Very good. That what will be the suffix of I3? मैंने intentionally ऐसा circuit दिया. The suffix of I3 will be
I3 is a 0.
good. Now tell me about the voltage source. Right hand side. क्या लिखूं मैं? +2
So the
minus
voltage,
it is
yes sir, therefore it will be -5
correct.
and it will be +10 because -2 positive.
Yes. Very good. So equation 2 will be what?
5.
Will be 5 and -3 I1
-3
plus
I1 plus 10 I2 is equals to 5.
क्लियर I3 का सफिक्स
Yes, sir.
0 है अभी फटाफट इतना स्ट्रेस दिए बिना स्टेप 3 फटाफट बता स्टेप 3 अप्लाई
apply KVL to B, C, D, E, B.
ओके क्लियर सो टेल मी
Yes, sir.
ब्लाइंडली व्हाट शुड आई
I1,
राइट
I2, I3 is equals to, and now the suffix of I3 will be positive
करेक्ट I1 I2
and
will
all
be
I1 will be negative. And now I1 will be uh, now 4.
yes very good I1 is flowing through only 4 ohm I
Yes,
hope
sir.
students you
And
are getting
I2, yes,
हाँ,
sir.
I2
And I2 will be 0 because no current is flowing through it.
Very
I2 will
good.
be 0 and I3 will be 4 plus 5.
getting 4 plus 5
Yes,
it
sir.
is 9 I3 talk
9.
about now there are how many voltage sources
And now there is 3 voltage sources are there, sir. Therefore,
10
-10
सुनो ना
plus
10
20,
20 and 5
10,
three
20
sources
and 5 are there.
correct so
Therefore,
what should I
from
write
10, there it is -10, sir.
correct
-20
correct
and +5.
very good I hope everyone is getting the answer what he has said that -10 -20 plus 5 so let me write this equation again -4 I1 plus 9 I3 is equal to -30 plus 5 so it will be
-25.
getting so what you can write
Yes,
at
sir.
the end last step solving
Solve equation
1 2
2
and 3
and 3.
you again have the provision in on the calculator instead of 1 you have to now select the mode 2 where 3 unknowns are there you can get the value of I1 I2 and I3 can you put it I'll ask this answer to someone else huh? Can you
Okay,
mute
sir.
yourself now for a minute
Thank you, sir. Yes.
yes good ओम ने आंसर दिया है ओम लेट मी चेक विद द अदर फेलो होपिंग दैट यू आर एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट क्योंकि मेरे पास आंसर्स नहीं है मैंने ब्लाइंडली सर्किट दिया है आपको तो अभी जिन्होंने रेज हैंड किए हैं उनके पास आंसर है ऐसे में समझू क्या एनीवन हु हैज रेज्ड द हैंड अब ये हमेशा आंसर देता है इसको पूछता हूँ मेरे को किधर गया अरे वो तो भाग गया सोमनाथ Can anyone else Sakshi, can I unmute you? Can you give the answer? Sakshi kidhar gayi? Yes, Sakshi, I have requested you to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me the
Sir,
answer.
I1 is equal to 0.061 amperes clockwise.
Very good. Means downward.
Yes, sir. I2 is equal to 0.51 ampere clockwise. And I3 is equal to minus 2.75 ampere anti-clockwise. No,
No.
clockwise.
हाँ, very good. So though it is minus, उसकी direction ऐसी लिखनी है. Then you can do one thing. You can
Make
write
it positive.
Yes, you can make it 2.75 ampere in
Clockwise.
opposite direction. Sakshi, is this method is clear and are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
On behalf of class, I am asking. Yes, very good. There are many students who are answering it, and Om, yes, your answer was correct. So I hope this numerical is also clear to you people. Is it so? Dear students, I want a feedback. Is this, though there are 3 loops, I hope now it is clear with you that though there are 3 loops, still the answer you can get it. क्लियर? अभी थोड़ा कैसे फील आ गया ना सर्किट सॉल्व करने का पेन और चॉक, इसलिए मैं बोला चॉक डस्टर इज व्हाट द थिंग व्हिच encourages me. So I hope these 3 numericals are clear that we have taken today. This was the first one where there was 2 loops and only 2 sources. The second loop equation that I have taken is 2 loops but 3 sources, and now 3 loops का लिया जिसमें बहुत सारी चीजें मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड की थी मैंने. हाँ संकेत, मजा तो आएगा बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल से, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर इज अ लिमिटेशन ऑन द टाइम. फॉर दैट पर्पस स्टडी सर्कल का